All right, I'm hiking this national park. Pretty cold, it's not too bad. Let's see what's up over this hill right here, where I came from. Let's see, look at this, it's beautiful. It's my neighborhood, guys, it's my neighborhood. It's not a national park. So, just tell you, I live in the South. Look at this, it's beautiful. A little trail that goes through here. We don't see this ever. Any of you who live down this way in the South, New Orleans, Texas, Florida, Mississippi, Panhandle, anything like that, drop a comment and let me know where you're at. If you experienced this winter storm that has swept across the South. I mean, this is just look, like my whole hand is buried in there. Now you Northerners are like, this is just like a redneck, like never seen snow. I've lived in snow. I used to live in Iowa, been in other snowy climates other than that, but this is insane. I mean, this is beautiful. This is unreal out here. So like I said, last time we had some snow was about 8 years ago, and it was just sticking to the ground, you know, and that was exciting enough. I gotta swap hands here, but just figured I'd take you guys along for a minute, just kind of go on a walk, enjoy the beautiful snow, and talk a little bit. So I do like to do different crafts and things. You'll see some random things on my channel just because I like to a lot of different hobbies. But if you're interested in hair growth, I'm in the middle of a 3 months, I'm actually about 4 months in now to another hair growth journey. My last journey is on my channel. You want to check it out? I went 4 years and loved it, and then recently cut it, and now I want to do it again, and I want to go even longer. So like I said, we're 4 months in, not much to show right now, but a few things I want to do different this time, a lot of different topics I want to touch on. So stay tuned for that, and anything else, drop in the comments what you'd like to see, what you're interested in, because I don't really know exactly the topics you guys are concerned about unless you comment, so do that. But yeah, this is beautiful. Also to you guys, this is random, but I'm a big Lord of the Rings, Star Wars, Marvel, Jurassic Park, all that nerd. And right now especially, Lord of the Rings is #1. It used to be Star Wars, but some of the content lately has just been disappointing. So, but right now I'm reading all the books and rewatching all the shows for the 100th time, and it's just been really enjoyable. And so I'm actually really getting into pipe making right now, and I made a Gandalf pipe, and I'm about to start making all the other styles. So stay tuned for some of that, because I'm going to be doing some live auctions, be selling some of those. So if you're interested, pay attention. We'll do that on probably YouTube and a Facebook. So if you need to find my Facebook channel, I believe I have it tagged into my description. If not, I'll put it in my description. I don't know if it's public or not. I have a public account, but I don't know if I really publicize my Facebook. I don't use a lot of social media. I try to stay off of it, other than YouTube. Is the only thing I really am regular on for different reasons, but I just don't think blah blah blah, I just don't think it's healthy, blah blah blah. I don't want to hear that, but I do enjoy YouTube, and I want to sell these pipes and make them and make different styles. It's just a really fun thing, and it ties into Lord of the Rings, and so I'm going to do a lot of that kind of stuff too, along with the hair. And look out for that if you're interested in purchasing any of those, and any Lord of the Rings fans. Hopefully I can capture some of you guys, Star Wars fans too. I like building lightsabers, and so that you might see a lightsaber build every now and then, and really savoring this weather right now. yeah, if you want cool hair, if you want to watch cool stuff, tap the like button and subscribe. Kids are calling. Better go. See you in the next one, guys. Happy growing.